All right, guys, welcome to the Founder Framework. This is a course that's designed to go from zero to building your AI empire. In this journey today, you're going to learn to build your own AI business using voice AI technology. Whether you're new to AI or business in general, this framework is designed to take you from absolute beginner to running a thriving AI as a service business. We're about to dive into a proven roadmap that will give you everything you need to succeed in this fast-growing industry. So let's talk about the AI revolution. The AI revolution is not coming, it's already here. Right now, there are two types of people. Those who watch AI transform industries and worry about job security, and then those who take actions and build opportunities within the AI boom. You want to be a maker, not a watcher. Just by being here, you are choosing to be in the second category. There's a path to be created here for financial freedom and independence. This is more than a career shift. It's about designing your life in a way that lets you achieve financial freedom and independence. This course will show you how to build your AI empire from scratch. Imagine a year from now, you're no longer stuck in a 9-to-5 job. You're running a successful AI service business. Clients see you as the trusted expert of AI in your niche. You have a solid base of clients who you trust and rely on your expertise, and you're offering a cutting-edge service that transforms how businesses communicate. You're not just selling AI solutions here. You're helping businesses engage with customers in smarter ways. So what I'm here to provide you today is all the tools that you need, clear strategies to follow, and full support throughout your journey. You don't need a background in technology. You don't need years of experience. All you need is the commitment to take each step and follow the path that we've laid out for you. Now, to 6 months to 1 year, there is zero reason as to why you cannot successfully build your AI empire with all the tools that we're going to be providing you today. So let's talk about the roadmap that you're going to be following to build your AI business. This course is structured into 9 modules. Each one covers a very specific step, every step of the journey. So we're going to start at the top with the AI revolution. We're going to start with understanding AI's transformative potential beyond just being a trend. Second, we're going to learn the strategic niche selection. What is your sweet spot here that we're going to identify and focus on? How does AI create opportunities for bold entrepreneurs like yourself? We're going to discover these profitable niches in need of voice AI solutions, and then what type of workshops that you can provide to these business owners to help them lower their staffing costs and identify AI spend. So all this revenue loss that they have, they can essentially be more profitable and make more money. You're going to learn the systematic steps to identify untapped opportunities. You're going to master prompting to create a natural, intuitive AI interaction where it's super high quality and it works like a charm. You're going to develop these skills to elevate AI agents from functional to exceptional. And last but not least, you're going to attract and convert clients. You're going to get the client acquisition blueprint, a proven method to attract clients. You're going to use polished scripts, templates, and outreach methods to appear professional from day one. Module 5 is all about building your business foundation. You're going to learn how to craft compelling value-driven service offers. Module 6 is all about the Agent Creation Hub. You're going to build your first fully functional AI agent. You're going to get hands-on experience applying knowledge to create a business cornerstone. And then you're going to get an integrations command center. You're going to learn how to connect AI agents to essential platforms like Twilios, calendars, and CRM system. So we're so excited to walk you through step by step what you need to do to build your own AI empire. Module 8 is all going to be about operations mastery. So you're going to learn how to set up your own systems so your businesses can run like a well-oiled machine. You're going to ensure smooth processes for client interactions and follow-ups. You're going to streamline your processes so you can scale. The idea is to build a scalable business over here, manage your clients effectively, and have streamlined processes. And then to actually launch it, Module 9 is about the launch accelerator. So you're going to prepare for your business launch. You're going to build your first agent. You're going to get certified as an AQX Pro. You're going to go from training and theory to real-world implementation and officially launch your AI empire. And at this point, at the end of Module 9, you should be ready to succeed here. By the end of this course, you'll have access to every tool and strategy you need to succeed. We'll make sure that you have unwavering guidance and support at every step of your journey. We've dedicated to helping you accelerate the growth of your business and fast track your path to success. So let's dive in, take control of your future, and shape your destiny. Remember, by the end of this, you're going to have access to our entire community where you can ask us questions and live training calls as well for any sort of material that's unclear to you. So please take notes and let's win and build your AI empire.